Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create Zendesk user from Instagram lead ads leads. So I'm running a marketing consultancy business and I'm promoting my business by using Instagram lead ads. Now what I want to do is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically I want to use all the detail of my lead and I want to create a new user in my Zendesk account. So here I want to do this so that I can give better support to my leads, and here I want to do this automatically. For that I need to build a connection between Instagram lead ads and Zendesk. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically I will create a new user in Zendesk. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create Zendesk user from Instagram lead ads leads. So as the owner of a digital marketing agency, I use Instagram lead ads to capture potential clients' information through engaging ads. And to streamline my customer service, I have to set up an integration that can automatically create a Zendesk user profile whenever a new lead comes in from Instagram. So this will help my support team to quickly access lead details and provide a personalized response, and it will be improving response times and customer satisfaction without any manual data entry. So here I just need to connect Instagram lead ads with Zendesk, and now what is going to happen is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically by using the detail of that lead, it will create a new user in my Zendesk account. So here for building this automation and this connection, I need to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration, and with Pabbly Connect, I can connect Instagram lead ads with Zendesk without any coding and programming skills. So here first, I have connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page, and I'm running my Meta ads or Instagram lead ads on my Instagram account. Now I need to use Pabbly Connect, and for that I need to open a new tab, and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. So for that, we need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Zendesk user from Instagram lead ads leads. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab, I'm going to find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of automation. So I'm going to select that, and now I need to click on create. And this will direct us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I need to first set up my trigger, and here I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application, and here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select Instagram lead ads here. And now I have to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this connect button. And here I need to click on add new connection. And for creating a new connection between Instagram lead ads and Pabbly Connect, I need to click on connect with Instagram lead ads. Now here I have to click on continue. And again, I'm going to click on continue to give access to my account. And here I have successfully connected Instagram lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now here first I have to select my page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select the Facebook page that I have connected with my Instagram account. And after selecting that Facebook page, I also need to select the lead gen form that we have associated in our ad campaign. So here for selecting my page, I'm going to take you to my Facebook account. And here this is my page of digital dynamics that I have connected with my Instagram account. And through this particular page, I'm running my ad campaigns on my Instagram account. So now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, for selecting my page, I need to open this tab. And in this tab, I'm going to find all the Facebook pages that I have in my Facebook account. And I can select any particular Facebook page here. So I need to use this particular page of digital dynamics. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to select my lead gen form. So here for selecting my lead gen form, I need to open this tab. And in this tab, I'm going to find all the lead generation forms that I have in my Facebook page, or these are the forms that I have associated with my page and my ad campaign. So here in this tab, you can select any particular lead gen that you want to use for getting the lead details, but I'm going to select all lead gen forms here. And now I have this important note that says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test to Good button, you will need to generate the sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So here first I have to click on Save and Send Test to Good button. So here we can see it is waiting for a webhook response, and for getting this webhook response, I need to generate a new lead, and as I will generate a new lead, then automatically I'm going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. So here I have to make sure that my lead generation form is live before making this sample submission, and also I have to make sure that my ad campaign is running live on my Instagram page. So here right now, I'm not running any ad campaigns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply generate a test lead and I'm going to generate a sample submission. So here I'm going to use Meta for Developer, and by using Meta for Developer, I'm going to generate a sample submission by filling out my lead gen form. So for this, let me take you to Meta for Developer. And in this, I need to go to Resources, and in Resources, I need to go to Developer Tools. So I'm going to open that. And here in Developer Tools, I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to use Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to open that. And now by using this tool, I can generate a sample submission of my Instagram lead ad. So here I have these two tabs of page and the form. So I need to first select my Facebook page. So I'm going to open this tab. And in this, I'm going to select my Facebook page that I want to use. So this is my Facebook page of digital dynamics. So I'm going to select that. And my lead gen form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to click on this preview form button, and after clicking on this button, I will get my lead gen form, and as I will get my lead gen form, I need to fill all the detail with the dummy details so that I can create a test submission or I can create a sample submission. So I'm going to click here. Now here this is my lead gen form and I need to fill all these details. So I have to first select my service that I am interested in. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select social media management. Now I'm going to give best time to contact. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select the timing. That will be afternoon 12 to 5 p.m. Now I have to give the first name. So my first name here is going to be test. My last name is going to be user. Email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com and I'm going to give a random phone number. Also I have to give the company name. So my company name is going to be Pabbly. Now here we can see I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on continue. And I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully created this new form submission and I have generated a new lead. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my new lead that I have just generated by filling out my lead gen form. And I have received all these details of my lead through my Instagram lead ads. So here I have all these details of my lead. So here I have all these details of my Instagram lead ads lead. And here I have the first name that is test, I have the last name that is user, I have the email address that is testuser@pabblytudes.com, I have the random phone number, I have my company that is Pabbly, and I have the service that my lead is interested in, that is social media management. Also I have the best time to contact, that is afternoon 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. So here we can see that I have received all these details of my lead through Instagram lead ads, and as I have generated a new lead, then automatically I have received that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now what I want to do is I want to use all these details of my lead, and automatically by using the detail of my lead, I need to create a new user in my Zendesk account. So for creating a new Zendesk user, I need to set up my Actions tab. And here in my Actions tab, I need to search for my action application. That is going to be Zendesk. So I'm going to search for that. And I'm going to select Zendesk here. Now I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And create user is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect Zendesk with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Zendesk with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a Zendesk username, API token, and the subdomain. So here in the Zendesk username, I need to use my login credentials and I need to give my login username. And after that username, I need to type /token and that will be my Zendesk username. So I'm going to first fill my Zendesk username and here that will be. So this is my login username. Now I'm going to give a slash and I'm going to type token. And here I have completed my Zendesk username. Now I need the subdomain and the API token. So first we are going to get the subdomain, and for getting this subdomain, I need to take you to my Zendesk account. And here in Zendesk, I have already logged into my Zendesk account. So I'm going to find my subdomain in my path URL. And in my path URL before this .zendesk.com, I have my subdomain. So I'm going to copy this from here. I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here in this tab. Now I need my API token, and for getting this API token, what we need to do is we need to first go to Admin Center where we will find the Apps and Integration option, and in Apps and Integration, I will find my Zendesk API. So for getting this API token, I'm going to again take you back to Zendesk. I'm going to go to Settings, and here in Settings, I'm going to go to Admin Center. And now in this Admin Center, I have this option of Apps and Integrations, so I need to open this tab. And in Apps and Integrations, I have this option of APIs. And in APIs, I have the option of Zendesk API. So I need to open that. And now in Zendesk API, I need to create a new API token. So I'm going to click on this Add API Token button. And here we can see it has successfully generated this API token. So I can copy this API token from here. I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that here in this tab of API token. Now that I have added my token and I have filled all the required details, so I'm going to click on Save. And here I have connected Zendesk with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details, and here I have to fill all these details to create a new user in my Zendesk account. So here for creating a Zendesk user, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my responsive lead through my responsive Instagram lead ads, and automatically from that response, I'm going to get all the required details that I need for creating a new user in Zendesk, and I'm going to fill all those details here in these tabs. So I'm going to map those details here in these from my previous tab of Instagram lead ads, and for that I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I'm going to open this responsive Instagram lead ads, and here I need to map the name of my user. So I'm going to first map the first name, I will give a space, and I'm going to map the last name. Similarly, I'm going to map the email address. So I need to click here. I'm going to open this responsive Instagram lead ads, and here this is the email address. So I'm going to map that. And now I have to give the phone number. So I'm going to map that too. And I have all these other tabs too, but these are not the required details, so I'm not going to fill these details. And also I'm not receiving all these details from my previous tab of Instagram lead ads, so I'm not going to fill these details. I'm just going to keep the details that I'm receiving of my lead through Instagram lead ads. And here I'm going to give the role to my users, so I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to keep the role of an user. And now I have filled all the required details. Now that I have filled all these details and I have mapped all these details, so I have made all these details dynamic. And now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new lead detail in the real time. And with every new lead that I'm going to receive through Instagram lead ads, I will create a new user in my Zendesk account. Now that I have filled all the required details, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Good button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new user in my Zendesk account. So here I have created this user in Zendesk by using all the detail of my lead that I have received through Instagram lead ads. So to check whether I have created a new user or not, let me take you to Zendesk. And here in Zendesk, I'm going to go to users. And here in users or in my customer list, we can see I have just created this new user that is named as test user, and I have the email that is testuser@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to open this user, and here I have this random phone number of my user. So here we can see that these are all the details of my lead that I have received through Instagram lead ads, and automatically by using all the detail of my lead through Instagram lead ads, I have created a new user in my Zendesk account. So here I have done this automatically, and I have automatically created a Zendesk user from Instagram lead ads lead. So here I have successfully created this automation and this connection between Instagram lead ads and Zendesk, and I have done this with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ads, then automatically by using the detail of that lead, it will create a new user in Zendesk. So here I've created this automation and this connection successfully. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And with Pabbly Connect, I have connected Instagram lead ads with Zendesk to automatically create Zendesk user from Instagram lead ads leads. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Instagram lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Zendesk, and my action event was create user. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.